even these footages.
To say I can't open it, I can't find it.
We're here to work, not to do a model show like model.
I had to drink with him, okay?
This is what I look like when I wake up. Or when someone wakes me up. I need like 2 or 3 more hours of sleep. Oh no, I have a new pimple. 하이도 있는 이스미준호하고 이분 봤어. So people, it's kind of a week later or something like that. I just got some time to edit the video and I just realized that all the footage from the day is gone. What? I just love how they start talking while I'm recording. I love it. I love it, guys. Bro, again. Nice. Let's go see what she wants to show.
So, it's a week. It's 1 week later, or maybe even 2 weeks. I don't remember. I don't know. So I just realized that all of my footage is gone, and I really can't, or I can't. Oh, I love
To say I can't open it, I can't find it.
Yeah, also I can find it, and even these footages which I found, I can't open them. So yeah, I don't have any footages from that day. But I have from the next day. The next day was the day when I had my job interview, and after that we came to the house. I think that was also the last day that I was filming, but I don't know. I'm not sure. We will see. You will see. Just stay with me, watch the video, and we'll see what's gonna happen. Yeah.
So guys, I'm doing my makeup right now.
I'm really scared that it doesn't start to kind of peel off or rub off, but I'm just trying to do everything the right way so that it turns out good. Alexa, wie spät?
Okay, so it's 9:06. I still have mommy. So my mom doesn't respond to me. Why?
I'm not using any high-end products for my makeup because I just think that's unnecessary, because I think you can have such a good makeup that looks like really, really good with some drugstore products. So, yeah, I'm just gonna take care of my eyebrows real quick.
So I'm here and I'm waiting. I'm so scared. The interview is done.
We just came to the house. We are waiting because Dad and Mateo and my uncle are not here. Yeah. So I'm waiting until they come. want to show you the house. Yesterday we went home because I needed to wash my hair and I also needed to get ready for the interview for today. And in that time, they finished the holes for the windows. And the man for the windows who installs the windows is coming today. So the windows will be installed today. I think the last 3 windows and then we're done with windows. And then we have doors. Fucking doors. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's much prettier with 3 windows in the same size. And not with one one double window and just one window. It doesn't matter. It looks prettier this way, and yeah. I have to change my clothes because we're here to work, not to do a model show like model.
Hello, people. I look so pretty.
I've killed my finger. I've killed my feet. I almost killed myself. So I'm in this. And this is my 3rd paper that I've took. Pokažem kako si vredan. Da vide ljudi ko je ovdje šef, ko ovdje radi najviše.
Misliš ko radi?
Ma ko ovdje radi najviše.
A šef s tim?
A malo tako. They did this yesterday. This too. This is what this looks like.
So we want to go and look at the windows because they are set and they are ready. I love it, guys. Are you ready? Wait, a car is coming. Oh my god, look at it.
So people, I think that should be it for this video. You saw me for 3 or 4, maybe even 5 days. You saw what I am doing while I actually have holidays, while I actually have 2 weeks of no school. I'm still working, still getting up early, still getting done so many things in just one day or even just a couple of days. I've been doing so many things. I've been doing so many researches. I've been to so many places. I am just really excited to put an end to this video so that I can make a new one. One thing, my best friend is coming back from Greece in a couple of days, so I'm so fucking excited. You cannot understand. Yeah.
Hello, I'm just chilling in my living room. It's Sunday and I saw Nancy yesterday. A week later, we just haven't seen each other in a week since she came. I haven't seen her like for 3 weeks, and she brought me 2 presents and it's so cute. She brought me a necklace, and when she gave it to me, she said, I saw this and it was like screaming Mina. So yeah, it's so amazing, it's so pretty, and I was so happy when I heard from her that it was like screaming my name. I love things that scream my name. Also, she brought me a bracelet, which I don't have on because I put it away yesterday. I don't have my necklace. I do have my necklace. Oh my god, look at it. So I took it off so that you can see it. Look at it. It's so amazing. Just look at the details. And look at this.
I'll put my Snapchat and I'll put my Instagram in the description of this video, and also my TikTok profile, because why not? I love you guys, and we'll see each other in the next video. Oh my god. And I'm sorry for my language and how I pronounce words. I had a couple of shots because of my uncle, because he didn't want to drink alone, so I had to drink with him. Okay, yeah, bye bye guys, I'm going to eat and you have a great night. We'll see each other. Thank you for watching.